Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am breaking all the rules and today I am doing an Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. I know I've been very vocal on my channel for a long time about really being into BoxyCharm because full-size products, but when I saw that I could get a free Huda mini palette, which I do love the Huda eyeshadows, just for renewing an Ipsy subscription, I did it for, a $27 palette. I will totally order a bag. So let's see what's inside the bag. If that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. I do upload 3 times a week, and that is the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to see what's in my Ipsy Glam bag and see how I achieved this look today, keep on watching. So first, the theme card. Welcome to the block party. Think rainbow-hued glam bags, vibrant shadows, shimmering gloss. That's awesome. So we picked 5. First item is the Purlisse Watermelon Energized Marshmallow Peel Off Mask. So this is... Give your skin an energized, tightening, and brightening boost with this marshmallow textured mask. It is infused with antioxidants and vitamin-rich watermelon, renewing blackberry, cranberry, healing aloe, chamomile. Apply a thin layer, allow to dry for 15 minutes, and then peel off. So, I know I've been on the BoxyCharm train for a very long time because full-size products, but because we are giving this a good, honest review, I am not going to mention the fact that this is a tiny little baby sample. I am going to completely ignore the fact that I am testing out sample-sized products, because you guys do know that I am typically very pro full-size, but let's see what happens. So, I actually just masked. I did the Glam Glow Super Mud all over my face, so my pores feel great. So I'm only going to take a little bit on the nose to try this out. It smells really good, I will say that right off the bat. So I'm going to give this a little bit of time to dry down. I'm going to say it does smell delicious. And I don't have retail prices for these items, but I do know that the next item, which is the Huda Beauty Lip Strobe, is like 20 bucks. So already worth the value of the bag just right there. So I am going to say that the value-wise, like I've already got my money's worth, but I'm going to let this dry down and I'll be right back. All right, so it has been about 10 minutes. We are completely dry. So let's see if we can actually peel this off. I have no nails anymore and I can't peel anything. Okay, this is peeling a little bit, but it's also like super gummy. So, I mean, I don't know if I need to give it more time, but I kind of feel like I shouldn't have to. Like, I'm going to go clean this crap off. I'll be right back. Alright, so I am back. I did prime my eyes and throw a little bit of shadow in my crease so that I can jump into the next item out of the bag. This is from the new Ipsy Tetris collection. This is the Ipsy eyeshadow in Game Night. It is a very pretty metallic, almost like a green gold. So I'm going to grab a packing brush. I'm going to start by applying it dry all over the lid. I did go very like berry in the crease because I kind of wanted that like burgundy and gold moment. Definitely applying a little bit more of like a true gold on the lid. I'm getting nice opacity. It's going on really beautifully actually. I am going to take some on my finger and see if we can... Oh yeah, so with the finger you definitely get a much more metallic vibe. Both ways still pretty, but if you wanted a little bit softer, a little bit more of like a gentle finish, you could definitely use a brush. And that brush was dry, so definitely really pretty. Next item out of the box, bag. This is not a box, this is a bag. This is the Delectable by Cake Beauty Triple Citrus Blend Butter Wash Body Polish. Holy crap, that's a lot of words. So it is a moisturizer and body wash and body exfoliator all in one. I did already shower, so I'm not going to be like using this on camera, but I will definitely leave you guys down below in the description box how I feel on the product. So the next item from Sugar Cosmetics. This is the Champagne Champion Contour de Force Mini Highlighter. It is an India-based brand that believes products to help express your unique beauty. It is definitely a shade that I think will work on my complexion. So I'm just going to quickly go throw on some foundation, concealer, maybe a little bit of bronzer, and I'll be right back. Alright, for some reason my lights were washing me out, so I did change the settings a little bit. But the face is pretty much tied up. We are ready for the next two items. So I did already talk about this highlighter. Let's apply it. I will be using my Fenty Cheek Shark Tooth brush because I've really been liking this lately. That's very pretty. It's definitely a highlight that you can, if you really want to be a little soft, you can get there. I mean, you guys know I personally prefer things to be a little more blinding than wearable, but I really like this. Oh, that's really pretty. Plus, it's super lightweight, and I mean, if you have to travel, something like this is great. Here I am, someone who has bitched for years about Ipsy being sample size and travel size and small, but like legit, I want to like pop that in a bag and travel with it. I am going to grab a detail brush, if I could find one. I have too many brushes, and there it is. And I'm just going to quickly pop that same highlight on the inner corner. Well, that's really pretty. Alright, so last item out of the box. This is the Huda Beauty Lip Strobe. I got the shade Mystical, which is a sheer lilac pink with blue shimmer. I don't know how that vibe is going to be with this lips, so I'm going to try it over a nude lipstick. Let me just throw on a nude lipstick. And let's throw some of this on the lips. So it's definitely very pretty. It is definitely high shine. I don't think I necessarily would think to pair it with this eye color, but it is not. I do already know I like the formula, but like, I think looking at this glam bag, like, these are not colors I would typically pair together. I think that is something I will still give to BoxyCharm, that the products do tend to be a little more curated, but these are definitely fun, very pretty, and very wearable. I mean, minus the lip strobe. Like, that is definitely lilac blue iridescent, so a little much for me. But all in all, I will say for my first rediscovery back into Ipsy that this was a really cute bag. I definitely love the bag itself. I don't see myself using a lot of the lip strobe. The highlighter and the single eyeshadow I do think are very pretty. This just looks, oh, that highlight though, like that is beautiful. So all in all, a really cute bag, a great assortment of products. I will, as always, let you guys know down below if anything changes as far as like, I hate this eyeshadow, it creased, or whatever with the body scrub. Anyway, if you guys want to see more Ipsy unboxings, let me know down below. I'm still torn whether or not I'm going to continue my subscription. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!